Okay, friends. So, do you get irritated when you are unable to arrange your files in such a way that you want to see the folders in the top? So, I have been trying this to sort it by type, and again it goes by today, last week, earlier this week, and I'm not able to see all the folders in the top, not even the recent folders I have used. So, the way to fix this is you click by date modified, wherein you will have the latest date at the top. After that, you click on you press shift. Okay, click by date is at the top, and then press shift and click on the names column. Now, after this, right click and select group by and go and select none. See, now when you do this, you have all the file folders first and then other files. So this way you can easily reach your folders. Hope this helps. So you will be clicking on you press shift and click on the name column and right click, group by and select none. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.